Everybody wants to see a size comparison of the Walther CCP. I'm going to be showing you one or two models at the same time. I'll do my best to keep them clear and concise, but sometimes one might cover the other, so bear with me. This is the Walther CCP. Safety trigger, magazine release button. Very nice grip. Here it is from the back. Here it is from the top, the side, and the front. Here we go. This is the CCP. Side view. Now we'll see the back view, how thin the profile is. See the top view, the front view. These guns have all been cleared and checked by both of us. Alright, we'll compare that to the baby Glock. The baby Glock on the right. And now we'll see a side view comparison. Alrighty, now let's see a front view. And a top view. Baby Glock on the right, CCP on the left. Okay, now bring in the XD. We'll go up the scale a little bit. This is the XD. Side view. Let's see a slide view, top of the slide. Let's see a back view. Bring it a little closer, it's easier to see the side. A little closer. Okay, and the front view. Just a good scale. Like I say, these are all cleared. I'm not going to go through and do every one. Okay, now let's take a look at the HK, the last one I'm going to compare to. Okay, side view. HK. CCP. Top view. Let's see the slides. Yeah, it's pretty low light in here. I don't have studio lights in here right now. So all you're seeing is basic shadow. Front view. Well, at least you can see the sides. Alrighty. And one more time, let me see the back view of those two. I don't think we did the back view. Try to hold them at the top of the slide just so the handles are free. If, hold them from the top if you can. So you can see the handles are free so you can see the double stack versus the single stack. You can see the difference in thickness. Move them a little bit closer together. There you go. I'll try to get them. Single stack, double stack XD, and CCP. Alrighty. Lay that right there. So that is your Walther CCP, and we're bringing one more. One of her favorites, her little Beretta, compared to the Walther CCP. So that should give you some idea the size of the CCP. Hope that helped you out. And Happy New Year. She loves her CCP. Sweet pistol. You can operate it with two little fingers if you like. And it has a safety, which is easy on, easy off. I just leave it off all the time. If you're a new person, you might use it. Especially if you're going to be putting it in your pocket anyway. So that is a new CCP. Hope you like it. And that should give you a size comparison for people who are asking for it. There you go. Happy New Year, not Merry Christmas anymore.